Raise your hand if you've ever gotten the dreaded spinning wheel of doom on Instagram. Yup, me too. It's one of those moments that can turn a good day into a frustrating one in an instant. You were just about to post that perfect photo or check out the latest stories, and then nothing. It seems like Facebook and Instagram are down more often than we'd like to admit. These platforms have become such an integral part of our daily lives that even a short outage feels like an eternity. We rely on them for everything from staying in touch with friends to keeping up with the latest news and trends. Just last week, millions of users were met with error messages instead of their daily dose of memes and messages. It was as if the digital world had come to a standstill. So, what's the deal? Why do these platforms, which are supposed to be robust and reliable, keep letting us down? Why do these social media giants keep going dark? Is it a technical glitch, a cyber attack, or something else entirely? The truth is, there are many factors at play, and it's not always easy to pinpoint the exact cause. Let's dive in and find out what's really going on behind the scenes. From server maintenance to software updates, there are numerous reasons why these outages occur. Sometimes it's a simple bug in the code, other times it's a more complex issue that requires a team of engineers to resolve. Get ready, because we're about to take a trip into the world of servers, code, and the occasional digital hiccup. We'll explore the intricate web of technology that keeps these platforms running and what happens when things go wrong. Trust me, it's more interesting than it sounds. By the end of this journey, you'll have a better understanding of the digital infrastructure that powers your favorite social media apps and why, sometimes, they just can't keep up. Before we point fingers, let's understand how these platforms even work. These social networks are more than just apps on your phone. They are complex systems built on advanced technology. Imagine a giant interconnected web of computers, servers, and data centers. This vast network is the backbone of our digital communication. That's basically Facebook and Instagram in a nutshell. They rely on this intricate infrastructure to function seamlessly. When you post a picture or send a message, it zips through this complex network at lightning speed. Your data travels across continents in mere milliseconds. It's pretty impressive when you think about the sheer volume of information being shared every single second. Billions of posts, messages, and likes are processed without us even noticing. But here's the thing, this intricate system isn't foolproof. Despite the advanced technology, it's still susceptible to issues. Just like any machine, it can experience glitches, errors, and sometimes complete meltdowns. These disruptions can affect millions of users, reminding us of the fragility of our digital world. So what causes these digital meltdowns? Well, it's rarely one single thing. It could be a software bug, a server overload, or even a good old-fashioned power outage. Think of it like a traffic jam. One small fender bender can cause chaos for miles. Sometimes these outages are caused by external factors like cyber attacks or network disruptions. Remember that time a rogue squirrel took down the internet for a whole town? Yeah, weird things happen. Section 4. We want updates. Let's be real. Nothing's more frustrating than refreshing your feed for the 100th time, hoping for a miracle. We rely on these platforms to connect with friends, share our lives, and stay informed. When they're down, we feel disconnected and, let's be honest, a little lost. The lack of communication during these outages can be super annoying. We're left in the dark, wondering what's going on and when we can expect things to be back to normal. Section 5. Meta responds. To their credit, Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram, has been working diligently to improve the situation. They understand the importance of reliability and user trust. They've invested heavily in more robust infrastructure, ensuring that their systems can handle the increasing load and complexity of modern social media demands. Their teams are constantly working to identify and fix vulnerabilities, staying ahead of potential threats, and ensuring the safety and security of user data. Additionally, they've also gotten a bit better at communicating during outages, providing timely updates through their official channels to keep users informed. These updates are crucial in maintaining transparency and trust, as users want to know what's happening and when they can expect a resolution. It's not perfect, but hey, at least they're trying, right? Efforts like these show that Meta is committed to improving user experience. So the next time you see that spinning wheel of doom, don't panic. Take a deep breath. Put down your phone And remember, it's just a temporary glitch in the matrix. These moments of downtime can be frustrating, but they also offer a chance to disconnect and take a break from the digital world. In the meantime, maybe go outside, read a book, or engage in some other offline activity that you enjoy. Or, have an actual conversation with another human being. Crazy, right? Sometimes these little interruptions can remind us of the value of real-world interactions.